Hey guys, so today I got called out of work today because it is a hurricane, a coming Hurricane Dorian, and I got some blonde dye a couple of days ago because when I got it I had just washed my hair, so I wanted to obviously wait a couple days. I was going to wait a week, but since I have nothing to do, and I'm on my last episode of 13 Reasons Why, the new season, I'm going to just dye my hair. And I've wanted a blonde piece of hair for a while now. I know it's like very popular to have blonde, but I'm not going to do my whole head because I don't think I will look super good with my whole head blonde. I want to do like a couple of streaks because I have like natural curly hair, and I feel like it just looks so boring when I have plain black hair. One day I will go to like a professional so they can, like, you know, give me highlights or even just like change my entire hair color completely. But until then, I kind of want to try to do it myself. So this is Texture and Tones specifically for women of color. I don't know how this is going to work, but it says I should get about this like honey blonde because my hair is black. So let's see, let's mix this baby up. I don't think it will be too bad because I'm not like bleaching my hair, you know what I mean? At least I don't think so. I'm just like kind of adding some color to it. So okay, so it comes with a conditioner. This is the color activating cream, and then this is the gold base, it says. So it has the number 1 on that, so I'm assuming that I pour 1 into 2, but let's always read the directions first. And I'm super cold, so I might regret putting this. Oh, this is a booster packet. I don't know what that means. Let's open this and see. But like I was saying, yeah, I'm super cold, so I'm gonna leave my cashmere robe on because I'm freezing. So it comes with gloves, and I'm sorry if I'm talking, my throat hurts currently at the moment, so that's always fun. So I'm going to be a lot more chill because I don't want to like strain my voice. But okay, let's see. Easy preparation. Put gloves on, remove the applicator cream, and unscrew. Yep, so this is basically as I thought. So unscrew the cream, and then pour. Should I smell it? My nose is also stuffy too, so. Okay, doesn't smell bad. So we're just going to pour this in. Pour 1 into 2. As such. And then we will shake it off. Shake it off. Uh-oh. Then shake it. I wonder, what is this? This is it says booster packet, so I guess if you, it doesn't explain what it is, but I'll read the directions. Alright, I think that's ready. I'm just gonna take down my hair and take a section. I'm gonna do like a test. I'm gonna take about this big of a section in the back, and yeah, that's good. That big of a section in the back. Okay, finger detangle it. I think that's a good section. Kind of nappy though, but it's a good section. I'm gonna do this section first, and then if it turns out well, I would do more. It doesn't even tell me how long to leave it on, so we're just gonna play it by ear. And this is my first time like dyeing my hair by my, oh shit, I just shook it with this. Like I was saying, this is the first time me dyeing my hair by myself. Usually my sister is here and does it for me, but she's not here, so we I'm just gonna do this. Thank goodness for a pop-out viewfinder. Let me put my hand underneath. Oh shit. Excuse my language. Okay, I think that's enough. That section is pretty saturated. The roots. Okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is great. I'm gonna leave it. I'm just probably gonna leave it on for like 30 minutes. But since this is a small, I could obviously, hopefully see some changes. Because it is supposed to be blonde and not like a purple or something. That may be hard to actually see on my dark hair. But I'm gonna leave this alone and then I will come back. Just gonna make sure I get like every piece of hair. And I really wanted to like foil it just to be bougie and fancy, but we don't have aluminum foil at my house currently, so yeah. Alright, so I'll be back. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so I raised my camera but just because I didn't feel like sitting crisscross applesauce. But it's been about 35 minutes and I have not seen a change. So what I did was, like, this booster packet still rang in my mind. I'm like, what the heck is this for? Because there's literally no directions describing what this booster packet is. And it doesn't even have instructions on the back. It just has a caution, like, warning and stuff. So I googled, like, I just googled like booster packet color textures and tones, and then this video came up on YouTube about this lady putting this booster inside the mixture. So that's what I'm going to do, and hope, wish, pray that this works, which I think it will. It makes sense that you do add it on, but it literally, what, let me see if it, what contour 10 shape part. Yeah, so it really doesn't, because I was like reading it very quickly. It doesn't say to like pour it into that. So that's why I was kind of confused about what exactly this is. But the lady, she poured the paqueta into here. So I guess that's maybe the bleach. And then the rest is just like the honey color. I'm hoping that's what happened. So I'm going to take my gloves. Again, I'm struggling putting them on. Okay. Ooh, we're successful. Now I'm just gonna shake it up. Hold the bottle top for this time, not like the last time when it splattered everywhere. Just gonna shake this well. Okay, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna take this same. You see, it's lighting a little bit. Like, it's very subtle. So let's just hope that this booster packet makes it less subtle. Hey everybody. Yay, so 30 more minutes has passed and we are gaining color. I need to do like touch up this root a little bit, but all in all it looks good. So I'm gonna start doing more sections and just rinse this out first. So I'm kind of trying to go for like a highlight effect. So I said one here, like that. One right there. It's pretty big. And then let me do these first. Then I'll find more sections. You guys see the rain outside? Okay. Alright. Here we go. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I don't know why I took my camera off of the tripod, but I did for some reason. But it's the next day, and I kind of don't like how I look like a zebra kind of in a way, because you know it's like black and then blonde, like big chunks of blonde. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get some black hair dye and just kind of minimize the thickness of this, because I like everything else. I think it looks really nice, and I'm going to take my hair down in a second, but I just don't like the way that my hair looks when it's up in a ponytail. When it's down, it looks nice, it's easier to cover, but when it's pulled back, I just don't like the way that it looks, and I don't wear my hair out all the time. So I'm just going to kind of fix that. I don't know if any stores are open today, but I'm going to try to look, and then if not, definitely Saturday, which is tomorrow, they should be open, because the weather is pretty nice. The hurricane looks like it passed through my well, at least my city, and yeah, it's windy a little bit, but it's not too bad. So we'll see if things are open. I'm just going to dye, you know, probably like this, like, you know, a good amount of it, or I may just dye like my hair black up until here and then like leave the ends blonde or brown, because it's kind of brown, it's not really blonde, which I like. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys my hair down, if it looks good, because I also need to get the dye and then get my curly hair product, so I can definitely wear it out better and see how it looks like that. But yeah, so that's what my plan is for today or tomorrow. I don't know. I may just go tomorrow. But I just check today, because it's no harm. Like the beauty supply store is literally like a 5-minute drive from my house, so it's not far at all. Not even 5 minutes. But anyway, okay, so this is my hair. I want to take it down so you guys can see it, and then I'm going to change my clothes. I'm still in my night clothes. I got my face ready and stuff, but change my clothes, go to the store, see if they're open, and get some dye and some styling products. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the best I can do to my hair without like any product and for it being up in a bun. But you see, I like the way that it looks out. This is how my hair looks out, and I think this is just a little bit too much, like this process faster. I did the test strip one that I did, my roots didn't process quicker than the rest of my hair, so that's why I just went on and did like the roots with it. Typically I know that you're supposed to do the roots last, but I think since it's the front of my hair, it just processed a little faster than the rest. So I kind of want to just go in and fill this in. I might do like a black and make it kind of ombre-ish effect, but I could easily hide that with if I pull more hair over, but I just wanted to show you guys that. And then my battery's about to die, so I'm just going to do a really quick 360 if I can. Let me go like this. I gotta lower the camera. Okay, so let me show you guys a quick 360 of my hair. Alright, and there is the hair. So this is the final results of my hair. So what I did, as I said, and I got some black box dye and I just put it on the blonde for like a minute or two so it could get this nice brown color. So now that when I pull my hair back, I don't look like a zebra, because I felt like I looked like a striped zebra or something gone wrong with those. They were just too blonde for me, and I know like this is super subtle, but I love the way my hair looks now. It's so great. It pops a little bit more. Now I want my whole head to be this brown color, and it's super nice. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to do a 360 turn. So yeah guys, this is my hair, my new hair. I love it so much. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in my next video.